Hello, it is March the 10th, 2011. I thought I would just do a quick video on the price action that we're having in silver now. We're about 75 cents below where we were yesterday. Actually, it's more like about 50 cents. 50 cents below where we were yesterday. It did pull back to the 35 level and kind of bounce off here. No, that's not the pullback that we've been looking for. A lot of people are saying, you know, I wanted to get back into the 20s. At least the low 30s. This is obviously not what they were looking for. Let's look at a one-year chart in silver. Here we go. Now, as you can see, these little dips, they do happen along the way. You know, there's dozens of them since we started the big uphill battle about 6 months ago. Well, it hasn't really been a battle, has it? It's more like a joyride. But as you can see, that's, you know, these pullbacks are normal. This is what we were looking for here at this point. We're looking for something like this, where we actually get a couple of dollars, or, you know, $3, even $4 off the price. It would be healthy for silver to come back to about 31.5, I think. Although I would be, you know, I'd be fairly surprised to see it pull back much below 34. Why is that? My primary reason for that is because of the supply of physical silver. And now I know this chart that we all know and love is not physical silver. They're not trading physical silver here. They're trading a manipulated and unlimited version of silver, a stock basically. This is not real silver. There is a conversion between this and silver. You can, if you have enough of this, you can go ahead and take delivery of a 1,000-ounce bar. Well, there's questions with that too now, because actually the COMEX doesn't have any silver, and they're just paying people out in cash now. But the point remains, there at least at one point there was a way to get this into silver. You know, not anymore really, but the convention remains. We still trade our bullion as if it were this, okay, and it's not. So I just want to throw the idea out there. I just want to get that idea, if it's not already in your head, I want to sort of, as Backburner News says, buy real estate in your mind. I want to put that idea in your mind and we'll see where it goes. And the idea is that physical silver bullion is not the same as this, what you see on the screen. These digital units, which are unlimited. Let that sink in a little bit. They're unlimited. There's an unlimited amount of that. You can get as much as you want. If you have the paper dollars or the digital dollars, you can get this 24 hours a day. Now, the supply of bullion, however, is not only not infinite, but it is extremely, extremely scarce. We've gone through a heck of a lot of this stuff in the last 20 years or so because the prices have been kept artificially low. What other precious metal do you know that's in the $30 range? We have precious metals at 1,400, precious metals at 1,800, precious metals at 2,200. In the past, some of them have been up to $10,000 an ounce. That was rhodium for a time. But what precious metals do you know of that are, well, less than 100 even? Less than 1,000? Silver is the only one. So here we are with silver, the most useful metal, and one of the scarcest metals, especially now, but for some reason it's $35.42 an ounce. Not multiple hundreds or thousands as the rest of them are. So let's just let that information soak in a bit, and we'll talk about it again later. I just wanted to throw it out there that, you know, at some point we're going to have to realize that this extremely scarce and unmanipulatable commodity, which is physical silver bullion, is a heck of a lot more valuable than this manipulated, fraudulent, unlimited stock. In addition to that, I have a little bit of silver porn here and some announcements. I recently sold out of the silver indica, the newest Liberty Leaf coin. But I am expecting a refill, so I'm putting it back on the website. They will ship in about a week when they come up from the States. I've also ordered some sativas, so I'm going to have both the indica and the sativa now on the site. Keep in mind those won't be shipping today. If you buy them today, they'll probably be shipping in about a week, and I'll make a note of that on the site too, just so everyone's aware. But yes, these are back in. I know there's a heck of a lot of demand for these. And once again, if you're in the States, the address is libertyleaf.com, and I'll put a link down below. That's the guy that mints these and sells these within the US. If you're outside of the US, though, my website is the go-to website for the Liberty Leaf coins. Now, also wanted to mention that I've got a couple of these bars. My dealer has a really good source of collections that he buys, and as soon as he buys them, I usually go down and check out what he's got. So today I managed to pick up a Johnson Matthey 10 ounce and a Silvertown 10 ounce. Let's see if you haven't seen the Silvertown ones. That's what they look like. And so these, I'm going to put these on my website as well, but I don't have a lot of capital to invest in these, so I'm only going to keep one or two on the site at a time and just sort of go through them that way. When they sell, we'll ship them out and use the proceeds to get another one or two. So right now there's going to be a couple on the site, and if you're looking for 10 ounce bars in Canada, that would be the way to do it. I'm not going to do these overseas. If you really need 10 ounce bars or other products overseas, as with anything else, just go to my website and email me, and I can sometimes make special arrangements. It's tougher to do, and it's more expensive, and you often end up paying duty, but you know, just let me know if that's an option for you, and I can give you a quote. One more thing. I have 5 of these 2010 hockey maples left. Those are on the website as well. They're about $1.50 more than the regular maples, but I know they do carry quite a premium for a reason, because they are nice and scarce. Oh, I almost forgot. Today in my my tube that I picked up some maples today for the site, but I found one of these. It's a bit scratched up, but it's a 1989. That's nice. I like that. I'm going to keep that for myself, because it's one of the only 2 that had the original queen on the back, and well, let's just say the years have not been kind. The other one was this one here. I don't know if you can see, there's a privy mark just to the bottom and to the right of the maple leaf. There. It is impossible to see, but it is fireworks, and this is the 1999 to 2000 version of the maple leaf. I hadn't seen that before, not sure if you had, so I thought I would throw it up there. I got that for the same price in my my roll of maples, so I'll take these 2 aside and keep those for myself, and the rest will go on the site. And that's it for me. Hope everyone's having a good day. Talk to you soon.